Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let us have a look at that question. That is a quadratic equation. And we have to use the quadratic formula to solve that equation. So let us solve for the value of x using the quadratic formula. We have our equation as 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Now let us use the quadratic formula to solve for the value of x. So let us proceed as follows. That our quadratic formula is just x is equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of, that is b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, having that quadratic formula, we will have to fix for the value of b, for the value of a, and for the value of c, so that we can get to solve for the value of x. Now, if this is our quadratic formula, then our a is just the coefficient of x squared, and that is 2. Then our b is just the coefficient of x, that is negative 5. And our c is the constant, which is negative 3. Now, let us apply the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c in our quadratic formula. So we will have negative b. So our b is negative 5. So we will have negative into negative 5. Then plus or minus this one, that is the root of b squared, that is negative 5 squared, then minus 4a, our a is 2, and then our c is negative 3. Then all over 2 into a, that is our a is 2. Now, having a look at that, then we proceed as follows. That is, negative of negative 5 will be positive 5. Then plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared is just 25. Then we have minus 4 into 2 times negative 3. So 2 times negative 3 is just negative 6. Then we have over 4. Then our x will now be 5 plus or minus the square root of 25. So we have negative 4 times negative 6 will be positive 24 all over 4. Now we have our x as 5 plus or minus. So 25 plus 24 is just 20. It's just 49, not 20. It is just 49. Then we have over 4. So our x will now be 5 plus or minus. The square root of 49 is just 7. Then we have over 4. Now our x can either be 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 over 4, or 5 minus 7 over 4. So that means our x can either be 5 plus 7 is 12 over 4 will be 3, or 5 minus 7 is just negative 2 divided by 4 will be negative a half. Now, that is how you can use the quadratic formula to solve for the value of x, or even for any unknown that is a quadratic equation. So that is how you can use the quadratic formula to solve for an equation that is a quadratic equation. So how I wish that you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, you could like, and you could comment. Thank you.